Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel master sheet. First, let's set up your workbook. Begin by opening a new Excel file. It's crucial to define your data structure and column headers upfront. This ensures all your information will align perfectly. Think about what data you need to track and how it should be organized. This foundational step saves significant time later. Now, let's bring all your data together. You can manually copy and paste information from various individual sheets into your new master sheet. For numerical data, Excel's Consolidate feature is incredibly powerful. It allows you to sum, count, or average data from multiple ranges into one. Just make sure your data types are consistent for accurate consolidation. With your data consolidated, it's time to clean and organize. Remove any duplicate entries to maintain data integrity and prevent skewed results. Standardize text formats like dates or names to ensure consistency. Utilize Excel's powerful filtering and sorting tools to quickly review your data, identify outliers, and make necessary adjustments. A clean sheet is a reliable sheet. Maintaining your master sheet is an ongoing process. Regularly update it with new information to keep it current and relevant. Consider implementing data validation rules to ensure future entries adhere to your defined structure, minimizing errors. Finally, always back up your master sheet frequently. This simple step protects your valuable data from accidental loss or corruption, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.